This wasn't always a place to call home. These walls once held silence, tired colors, forgotten corners. But every crack had a story, and every space held potential waiting to be seen. Then came the vision. The long days, the dust, the decisions, the moments of doubt. Piece by piece, it started to change. Light found its way in again. Colors began to breathe. And what was once ordinary became something truly special. This isn't just renovation. It's transformation. It's passion. Turned into reality. Because a house is built with materials. But a home is built with heart. And this is what dreams look like when they finally come to life.